These are my budgies. Squeaky. And Maddie. Oh, I call her Maddie. She also goes by Little Mads and Madison. So, depends. What I call her depends on whether she's mad or not. If she's gonna be a little snob, then it's gonna be Mads. Because she's a pain in the butt sometimes. Would you stop licking the floor, please? I feel bad right now because I have them in my kitchen. Where the cat is. The cat's allowed to roam. Because if we go over here, this room does not have a door. This is my bedroom. It is not big enough for the cage. This is the room I had the cage in, but I'm going to be repainting it on Wednesday, my day off. So I'd move them out of the room. I need to sweep. I need to get the masking tape. I want to redo the frames as well because last time it was painted, they didn't do a very good job. Like, look at that. But, hey. I'm gonna lock you in here. Goodbye. Are you gonna come? Come on, this is the only room with the door that closes all the way, and I don't need you eating the bird food. Move it. So I can close the door. Move. And the bathroom door doesn't even close. The basement door doesn't close. There's no heating in the basement either. This room used to have a door, but does not anymore. There's not really any room for me to put the cage in here either. Not with my tank, my other tank, my other tank. You know, I wish I knew where my scissors were so I could finally take that off. Stupid zip tie. There's no room anywhere else for me to put the cage, so the cage is just sitting right here. As long as I can still open my refrigerator, it's fine. Yes, I'm stepping all over you. Because you don't know how to be not underfoot. Hi. He's just stretched out over my shoulder. Do you want cuddles too? Oh, he's moving. Come on. Yes, I love you. But you can be a pain in the butt sometimes. Oh, I hear you. Are you two getting along? Oh, he just got off Floofy. Oh, I disturbed him. That's adorable. I love it. Oh no, he's moving. Oh, look at his little face. It's adorable. I'm sorry, I just moved the cage.